Hi students, in this video we are going to see about Modigliani-Miller approach. Here, first one, value of the levered firm, that is denoted as VE or VL. Okay, so VE is equal to VU plus BT. VU is the value of unlevered firm, VE is the value of levered firm, BT is the value of debt into tax rate. This Modigliani-Miller theory and approach is applicable to NOI if unlevered and levered are given. When if both is given, NOI is applicable here. The next we are going to see about the value of unlevered firm, that is denoted as VU. VU is equal to EBIT into 1 minus T by KE. It's something but the overall capitalization. Okay. Next we are going to see about the levered firms weighted average cost of capital. If they ask weighted average cost of capital, this we have to do. KO is equal to KD D by V plus KE S by V. And for unlevered firm, U is equal to KO is equal to KE. KE is nothing but NI by S. So we'll see the problem now for approach. Companies U and L are identical in every aspect, that the former does not use debt, that is U. Former does not use debt in its capital structure, while the later employs debt of rupees 6 lakh at 15%. That is, later is nothing but the L. A. All the assumptions are met. B. Tax rate is 50%. And C. KE is equal to 20% and earnings before interest and taxes rupees 2 lakh. What will be the value of firm U and L? Also determine weighted average cost of capital for both the firms, that is U and L. Now we are going to provide the solution. Now we have written the EBIT, which is given as 2 lakh, then tax 50%, that is 0.5, and KE 20% as 0.2. First we are going to find out the value of unlevered firm, that is VU is equal to EBIT 1 minus T by KE. So EBIT is 2 lakh, 1 minus 0.5 by 0.2. So 2 lakh into 0.5 by 0.2. So you get rupees 5 lakh. So that is the VU of, that is value of unlevered firm. Next we are going to find out the value of levered firm. The formula is VL, that is value of levered firm is equal to VU plus BT. VU we already have rupees 5 lakh, and BT we are going to find out what is BT. It is BT is equal to value of debt multiplied by tax rate. So value of debt, which is given in the problem, 6 lakh multiplied by the tax rate 50%, that is 0.5. You get 3 lakh, that is BT. So VL is equal to VU plus BT. VU is 5 lakh plus BT is 3 lakh. So all over VL is equal to 8 lakh. So we have find out the value of unlevered firm 5 lakh and value of levered firm as 8 lakh. So in this problem, they have also asked to calculate the weighted average cost of capital. Calculation of weighted average cost of capital for unlevered and levered firm, for both the firms. Okay. As the KE is already given in the problem as 20%, so KO is what we put 20%. Now we are going to calculate the total value of the firm. VL. So the value of the firm is 8 lakh and the total value of debt that is 6 lakh. So you have to deduct this V minus D. 8 lakh minus 6 lakh, that is you get 2 lakh. That is what is known as S, total value of equity. We did know S is equal to